With the connected SiriusXM satellite radio tuner, the SXV300, you'll notice a wide variety of easy-to-use features with the SiriusXM tuner. If you select the tab, you can simply select Direct Channel and then go specifically to a channel by entering in the channel numbers and then selecting Enter. It will instantly go to that channel. You'll also notice the tab on the left here will hide the album artwork to provide for a larger display, or simply select the music note icon again to display the album artwork. Now you can see album artwork even larger by pressing the home screen. Now you have the album artwork on the home screen. This receiver features the new customizable widgets, so you can even move these by pressing and holding, and then switching locations. You'll notice that it can go into any of the 4 locations on the customizable widget screen. We'd like to see all the album artwork and the information, so we'll go to the largest section there. Now we can simply press the widget to return to the SiriusXM screen. To store a preset, simply access a specific station. Once you've accessed a station, select the preset number that you'd like to store it to. We'll press and hold, and then as soon as you see that light up, you'll see then it's stored as the next available preset. In this case, preset 3 on the SiriusXM 1 band. You can press the band icon to switch to your 4 different SiriusXM bands. By expanding the preset list, you'll notice I can select the left arrow. You can then easily see all of the presets by band. You can also lock in a channel when the tab is open. For example, we'll go to a different channel. We'll go ahead and expand this. Now that we have the SiriusXM preset list, press and hold, and then we've now locked in this channel as a preset channel.
Kenwood.